Hello students. In the previous lesson we learnt about the means of transport. Now we are going to learn a new lesson based on means of communication. The name of the lesson is Communication and Mass Media. Now what is this mass media? We watch TV programs on many different channels. Then we use the mobile phones. Then we are connected to the radio, then internet. All these come under the mass media. These are the things which communicate us under mass media. So we learnt about man-made satellites and artificial satellites or natural satellites in the first lesson. So we are knowing this that satellites they are sent into the space through rockets and they move in the space and they give us the communication services, these TV, then radio, mobile, internet services by the importance that is the by the important factor that is the satellite. Because of these satellites, we are in touch with the world, to the people, to our relatives, to our uh, school. In this pandemic, we are learning how we are getting education in this pandemic without going to school. Today, it is possible because of this satellite and the means of communication which are in our homes and we are connected to each other. It is really a great discovery by scientists. Satellite is making the world universal and one. So how these are delivered to us? The signals are delivered very quickly from one point to another, from the space to the earth, and we can watch the live telecast of any event or any program which is going on in any part of the world. For example, if there is a football match or a cricket match or any program, so with the help of mobile, television and radio, we can listen to the program. So with this help of means of communication and this satellite, we can watch any program, anything we can hear and gain knowledge of the world by these satellites and by the means of communication of any countries or any place in the world. We can be connected within seconds. We can listen to the speeches of president or prime minister also when there is any national festival or any other program. We can see it live. Which are the satellites which are used by the government of India? These satellites are known as or called as Indian National Satellites, or in shortcut it is called as INSAT or INSERT. Capital INSAT, Indian National Satellite. So today, at present, we can say in our today's present day-to-day life, life is impossible without communication and mass media. It is become a need for us. Life is impossible all over the world without the use of mass media. In the lesson here are given four pictures you can see. When you observe the picture, you are seeing the different expressions. Now what do you mean by expressions? Our phrase gives some reaction when we are speaking to someone, or we are thinking, or we are watching television or listen to the radio. When something we hear and understand, on the face we try to show what we are listening or what we have understood. So for example, when someone cracks a joke, what do? We laugh loudly. So that is the expression, a happy expression. Then someone teases us or someone beats us or we are hurt, we get irritated, we get angry. Then if someone tells us something that incident has happened, we or someone a sad thing has happened, so we feel sad or we start crying. How do we understand all this? By the expressions on the face. We can understand by the expressions on the face. Or sometimes you are surprised, so you hear something or you come to know something has happened which you don't expect, and how this happened. So such type of expressions are there on our face, and they also communicate to the other person when we show such type of expressions. These are also the way of communication. When we tell information to someone and someone gives us information, this is also known as means of communication, or it is named as exchange information. Information broadcast by writing on some boards or saying something orally with the mics. All these are information broadcast. It is also a part of communication. Information is useful for constructing knowledge. So, if we are informed, we can live a disciplined and a well, good and happy life. It is important part of our life. Good communication and gain knowledge through it is a part of a good, it can be a great part of our good life, or it is the important part of our good life or good social life.